Welcome to Upstate Tractor Works. Here we are in Inman, South Carolina, the Johnny King auction, November 15th, 2026. Gonna do some walk around here this morning and maybe a little bit of auction action in a little while. Here we are at the Mini Excavator Heavens. We're gonna see how the tariffs have priced these things, see how much they're up or down. You know, everybody wants to complain about tariffs, but it's been my experience. This Chinese stuff keeps going down, but we'll see. All right, let's see if we got some tractors here today. We got skid steer loader mounted stump grinders, skid steers, all kind of stuff. We got campers. This is camper day. Got some good looking. There's a Apex camper, ultralight. Slide, old mileage. Here's a fairly new looking Coleman. Take a look at this Coleman here. Not often you see one without a window in the door. Alright, let's let the light adjust. Fair, I mean, this looks like a new unit. Bunk beds. Yep. Alrighty. 17 foot. Came from Camping World out of Marion, North Carolina. We all kind of art stuff on the ground. Every auction's got to have the art stuff. Got to have the fences. Everything from horses to trees to, you name it, deer. All kind of little cars and trucks. There's even John Deere signs made in China. Got all this made in China stuff nowadays. Yep. So we got big 18-wheelers. Tractor there, 450,000 miles. New rebuilt engine. This is the car road, BMW, Dodge. Here's another little camper here. Boats. Like I said, this is a pretty big auction day. This is a 23-foot micro light by Flagstaff. Nice clean couch. Main thing looking at these campers is around the edges for water damage from the roof. And he has a TV. Good size shower. Huh. Trundle bed. Interesting. Hey, somebody. Yeah. Alright. It's not a bad looking unit. I have to look into that one. Head on down the line here. I know this is a equipment channel, so we're gonna go by this equipment. As I mentioned before, it's Chinese Excavators Day. They have got so many of these little mini X's. It'll be interesting to see how many buyers we got. There's a whole stack of them over there too. Ford F-150s. Yep. More campers. You can tell there's plenty of iron nowadays post-COVID. After that scare that they gave us, people went out and bought, and now they're selling. Kind of odd to see a Massey Ferguson with tricycle wheels. A Massey Ferguson 50. Yeah, adjustable wheels. There's your Sycamore. Yeah. Next to this Massey Ferguson is an old Alice Chalmers WD. It's been restored. Looks good. Okay. I see some green over here. Let's go look at some John Deere stuff. John Deere mower. Yep, 8 foot. There's a gator. Just push you in the sun, probably not too good. Flail mower. Mowing more cars and trucks. I-beams. Yep. Got a Homesteader dump trailer. Let's take a look at that Homesteader. This is your ramp if you need a metal ramp to get in and out of stuff. Yep. This is a little 10-footer. Floor doesn't look too bad. Door swings up, down. Sides look like they dropped too. Alright, there's your little kayak. Those lawnmowers. Big fuel tank. Somebody with a loud four-wheeler needs to get out of here. Alright. Warehouse shelving. Heavy, heavy duty. Here's something I like to see. Frontier Sycamore. 3-point hitch. Yeah. I thought that the shaft was missing, but it's laying over here under it. It's hydraulic, so you have to have your function for the hydraulics on it. Alrighty. Buckets. Skid steer buckets. Plow. Yep. Got some commercial mowers there. There's your 5-foot bush hog. Be interesting to see what that brings. There they go, starting that loud four-wheel again. New Holland over there. Alrighty, there's your walk around. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna see what we can come up in a little while for auction action.
Number 68, Ford 2000 tractor with a boom pole, gas runs and operates right there now. Right there now. $3,500, $35, 25. Mark, what you got? You fired up? There she goes. She runs and operates.
Turns over.
Guarantee her to run and operate.
They turn the gas.
All right, let's go. Right there, 2,500. Eat it, 2,500, 25, boom, pole goes with it right there. 15, 17, half, 17, half. Here to the 2,000, 22, half, 25, 25, 2,500. It's $2,500. 25. It's 25. Take 3, 4. 23, 4. 2,400. That's cheap enough. 2,400. It's 24. 2,400. Anybody else? 24. Justin said we'll guarantee it to run and operate. All right. If anybody's interested, what will he take today on it? 2,500 is rock bottom dollar, and we guarantee it to run and operate.
So that no sale.
He said buy it with ride and drive. And we pass that point.
Got a pass on it.
All right, he's up.
All right, we got a match at Ferguson here. It's
How much you got on the next one? That is going to be 629. Towards a Massey Ferguson 135 tractor diesel. Less than 30 hours on this rebuilt engine now.
Bush Hog brand tiller.
Yeah, how much you give on it now? 5,000. Yeah, $5,000. 5,44333. Who's got 2 to go in 25? In 2,500. 25. 2,500. In $2,500. He's going to fire it up. Bars right there at 2,500. Now 3,000. Yeah, $3,000. If I'm going to out of a 3, go to the moment out of a 3,000. Yeah, $3,000. If I'm going to out of a 3, I'm going to out of a 3,000 here at the moment. Now 35. 35. She's sitting there running. 3,500. Yeah, $3,500. If I'm going to out of a 500. I'll take 3,250. You want to do that? 32 and a half. 35 now. 7 and a half. 37 and a half. 37 and a half. If I'm going to out of 7 and a half. If I'm going to $4,000. If I'm going to out of $4,000. $4,000. If I'm going to out of $4,000 here at the $4,000. If I'm going to out of $4,000. If I'm going to $4,000. $4,000. If I'm going to be able to fold it, I'm going to fold it. Don't come up just a little bit short there on that deal too. He wanted about. It's got a little tiller that comes with it. Does it come with it? No, that sells separate. All right, we're a little bit short on it. We're going to sell the tiller now.
See what the tiller.
Lot number 75 is a bush hog 5-foot roto tiller. He'll give 1,000 to go. How much you got?
I got you 1,000.
1,100 now. 1,100 now. 1,100. 1,100. I'm out of a 10. 11. I'm now 12. 1,200 out of a 12. I'm out of Justin's out. 1,200. $1,200. I'm out of a 12. I'm out of a 12. I'm out of a 1,200. $1,200. I'm out of a 12. I'm 1,100. 10 or 12 to go. I'm out of a 1,200. $1,200. $1,200. I'm out of 13 down. I'm out of 13. 12. 13. 1,300. 1,400. 14 here. I'm out of 14. I'm out of 13. 14. 14. I'm out of 13. 14. 14. I'm out of 13. 14. 13, 14 here, 13, 14, 14, 13, 14, 15, 1,500 now, 1,500, $1,500, he said just leave it with the track.
They're going to no-sell it. All right, now it's on to the
It's going to be a 2024 Yanmar 17 Mini X.
Barely used.
So Yanmar Mini X.
Now, this is not the cheap Chinese. It is foreign made, but it's a Yanmar.
25,000. Yeah, $25,000. 25 to 20, 20, I'm going to 20, 20, I'm going to give a little room to work. I'm going to 15,000 here, I'm going to 15,000. How much you got?
Sitting there running.
Sitting there running, I couldn't even hear it. I was there. I'm going to tell you what I got. I got 7,000 now, 8,000, 9,000, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11, now 12, I'm going to 12,000, 12, 13, 13,000, I'm going to 13, 14, 14, I'm going to 14, I'm going to 13, 14, 14, 14, that's it, 14, $14,000, I'm going to 14, 14, too far to go, 14, 14, 14, 13, 14, now 15, 15, I'm going to 15, 15, 15, I'm going to 14, 15, I'm going to 15,000, $15,000, I'm going to 15, 15, I'm going to 14, 15, $15,000, I'm going to 15, I'm going to take a little north of 20.
Ah, yeah, I figured that'd be a no-sell. All right. Here's some action on some equipment. Cultivator for a little.
How much 25 money's on? $30 help yourself, my friend. At $30 bill, give me 25 and 30 where I have. Sold it $25. He's got it. Where's number you want to be?
43.45.
Only
$23.45.
$25 for that mini.
5504 got you a 3-point hitch snow solar. I'm on the snow solar right there. What about it? At 300, can't see a thing. At 300, give a 100. At $100 bill. Somebody at 50, 75. I'm a 50 on the net, 75 here. A minute and 75 money's off. I'm a $50, 75. A minute and 75. And now 100. I get $100 sure. Got you in 7,500. At $100 bill, 75. $100. Give a $100 bill. Give a 75 all around. $100 net you out. $100 bill. Here we go. $100 bill. Bargain time. 75. Give a 100. Sold it $75. Just buyer number
7977.
7977.
All right, there goes that
Lot
one.
number 505 is a Covington one-row planter.
One row planter.
Has extra plates with it too, is that right? All right, got extra plates right there with it here. And what do I do here on the Covington one-row planter here? 300 and 300 of it and $3 bill. Everybody go to town. $100 $150 bill and $100 in the bag. 150 and $150 bill and $1 quarter. He said that 100 now quarter bill and $1 quarter down and $125. Had 125 bill and the bargain now 50 150 75. Had 175 bill and $175 sir. 150 in the bag. 175 two and $200 and $2 and a quarter $2 and a quarter $2 and a half. How much? 50 75 a minute and 75. Help yourself 75. Good looking planter. I had 75 a minute and 2 and a half and 75. How much? 275 a minute and 2 and a half is on the ground. Net you out. Gonna be 275. I'm a 250, 75, a minute and 75 in an child. I'm a 250, 75, a minute, give me 75 last call. 250, 75 and a half. Sold it $250. It's buyer number
$250 on the steel today. Here's a one-row cultivator. Can't even get a $25 bill.
Got a 25 a minute. Somebody get 25 and $25 now. $50 bill. And 50 now 75. And $75 here in a minute. 75 a minute. He's in at $50 right up front. Is that right? And $50 there. 75 you're out. And 75 a minute. Give me 75. You're out in the back. And 50, 60 and $60 bill. One time here we go. $60 bill in minus 50 and $60 bill in minus 60. Sold it $50.
Only $50. I mean, this is just
$34.71.
way down
$34.71.
from what it used to be.
Lot number 508 got you a 3-point hitch. Hay spear. Oh, good looking hay spear there. You have 100. I had a $100 bill. One little bit of somebody get $50. I had a $50 bill and $50. And $25 and $25, $50 bill and $50, 75. I'm a 75, 100. I had a $100 bill and $175's on the ground. Got to be 100 net. I had a $100 bill and $175's over here now 100. I'm at 75, $100. You're out the back. I got him right up front. 75, give 100. I had a $100, 85. 75, $85 bill and $85. No 100. I had a $100, 110. $110 bill and sir, you out again. 110 bill and $100 bill and $10 bill. 110 and I've sold it 100. It's buyer number
for the hay spear.
984. 984. Thank you, sir.
Alright,
Lot
let's
number
see about this
509 got
old
you a Ford 6-foot straight blade. Hey, good, nice little
it has
blade right
tilt.
there. And 300. Got 300 of it. 3 give $100. Had 100 of it. Somebody get $100 of it. 100. Had $100. Put it on. Somebody get $50. $25. You must want to lend it. And now 50. And now 75. Now 200. I had $100 of it. 100. 1 quarter. I'm 125 of it. 125 of it. 150. 125. 150 million up in the 1 quarter, 1 half. I'm a 1 quarter half, 75, 175 up in the bottom. Bargain time, it's heavier now. I have 175 up in the bottom, and 150, 75. I'm at 150, 75, 150 with you, 75, 175 down up in the bottom, 150, 75, and now 2, and 200, and 200 up in the bottom, and 2, taking up in the 175, I get 2, 175, I get 2 and a half. So $175.
$175 for a 5-foot heavy duty.
7361. 7361 is a buyer.
Going down.
Lot number.
Alright, they've been auctioning these little skid steers.
7546. You want 1 or 2? He takes them both. Takes them both. Thank you, sir.
$2,600.
Goodbye. Lot number 2020 and 2021 appears to be the same deal. All right, hey, take a look here. We got a choice. You can take 1 or 2. It's 2020 or 2021. Got a 2'8" bucket, stick, auxiliary hydraulics, dozer, canopy. Oh, take a look. Gas engine. All right, it makes $12 choice on them here, and now $4,000 bill. Had a $4,000 building, give them $4,000, give 2. I had $2,000. $2,000 building, give them $2,000 building, $2,000 well. Had $2,000 building, give them $2, give $1,500 go. 15, now 17 and a half, now 2, now $2,000, and now 22 and a half, give them $22.50. 22 and a half, $22.50, now 25. I had 25, 27 and a half. I'm a 25. 25, 7.5, you out again, 7.5, now 3, at 27.5, you want to be 27.5, 25's up front, 7.5, now 3, at 3,000, now I'm bidding mine up into 28, at 27.5, 28, 8 a million, give my billing, give me 2,800, I'm at 27.5, 8, 8 a million, I'm 27.5, 0, 8, at 2,800, I'm bidding mine up into 28, well, I'm at 27.50, 28, bargain time, my friend, I'm at 27.5, 2,800, I'm bidding mine up into 27.5, to get 28, 27.50, $2,800 last call, and I have somebody 27.50s and want one or two. He takes the first one, 72.61.
At 27.50.
He walked up the hill. He walked up the hill. All right, let's run the next one here, 2,500. I had $2,500. This is like 2021. 2021's the one we're selling now, just like the last one, 2,500. I had 2,500, I better get my money, get my 2,500, I better get somebody get 22. I had 22, 2,000, everybody go. I had 2,000, I better get 2,21. I'm a $2,000, I got it on the ground, got to be one on the net. I had 2,021, I better get my money, get my 2,100. I'm a $2,000, did you say one? One, two. I'm a 21.
2 years ago, these things were over $4,000.
2,300. I'm a 22, 23, number 11, number 3, 3, no, 4. I'm a 24, Ned, you didn't make it 4. I had 24, number 11, we're in at 23 right there, is that correct? Now 4. I'm a 24, Ned, you're out, 2,400. I'm a 23 and 24, now 5. They keep hopping around here. 23 is on the ground. 24. I had 2,400. I had 24. 23's right there. 2,400 to give another 24. Now 5. I'm at 24. 25 of the amount of thinking I'm at 2,500. I'm at 24. 25 of the amount of another 25. Believe it will. I'm at 24. 25. 24 and a half. 24 and a half. I get 25 on the net. 26. I get 25 is on the net. Gonna be 26, mate. 2,600. I had 25 on the net. Got just ahead of you. 6.7. I'm at 2,700. I'm at 26. It's been the $700 bill. I'm at 26, I'm at 26, 27, 8. I'm at 28 here. I had 27 up in 8, I'm at 27, 28, Ned, y'all done. $2,800, here we go. 27, 2,800. I'm at 27, I'm at 8, I'm at $2,800. 27, 28, 27, 28, sold it, $2,700.
$2,700 is what they're going for now.
Buster, you ready?
Alright, got more mini excavator.
27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half,
2,500.
money's on 25, 7 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, got a little catch up, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, sold it your way, $2,500.
$2,500 coming down.
84.33.
There you go.
8433.
Gonna do another.
Just wants one?
Yep.
All right, lot 2030, lot 2030. Took the first one. 2030, here we go, $2,500. $2,500 bill, could it be 25, 25, could it be $2,000 bill, $2,000 bill, could it be 2, 2, 2, now 22 and a half, 22 and a half, you scared me, 22 and a half, could it be 22 and a half, 22 and a half, could it be 22 and a half, 22 and a half, could it be 22 and a half, 2 with Tony, 2 and a half, 25, get him again, 25, you out, $2,500 bill, could it be 25, 25, 7 and a half, 27 and a half, could it be 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 3. $3,000 bill, could it be 3, 3, 3, could it be 3, 27 and a half on the net, $3 grand, $3,000 bill, could it be 3, 3, 3, could it be $3,000 all in and all done. Sold it, $27.50 on the net.
That one went to the internet for $27.50.
103.
See, they're going way low from what they were.
Lot 127.
And there's bunches of them. There's still another set of them around
Hybrid
here.
SUV salvage title.
Alrighty.
Two-stage clutch. How much you give right there?
Two-stage clutch,
tricycle. You tell me, $3,500. Yeah, $3,500. It's a good straight tractor, good sheet metal. If you want to restore one, it looks like everything's there. I'll tell you what I got. Internet wants to start me out at 500. Now 7.5. It's 7.5. Now 1,000. 12.5. 12.5. 1,000. 12.5. 1,500. 1,700. 17 and a half, 17 and a half, 17 and a half. You don't find many as straight as this. Take 16, 1600, 1600, 16, 16, 16, 17, 1700, 16, 17, 1700, 17, 16, 17, 16, 17, 16, 17, 17. What you think, Justin? 16, 17, 16, 17, 17, 1700, 1700, 16, 17, 17, 17, 17, 18, 1800, 18. Now, no, internet. It flashed at 17. I put you in internet. Is that a good bid or was that my mistake? Internet, it flashed at 17. 17, 18, 17, 18, 16, 16, 17, 18, 18. What would he take for it today, Justin? What we thinking? 16's where he was at. 16, we were out at 17. That's your call. Set now 18. Now 18. Got to be 18 now. 1800. Anybody else? Open it up to everybody. 1800. Sold. It's going up to Lancaster, South Carolina at $1,700. Bidder 10541. 105.
All right, here we go with this Alice Chalmers WD. Let's
all right, 269 Alice Chalmers WD antique tractor, overhaul, runs and operates, super clean. They just cut it off. She shines like new money. I think that thing just rolled off the assembly line, didn't it?
It looks like
right there now. Hey, if you want one, this will be the one to buy right there. How about 5,000? Yeah, 5,000. 3,000. Yeah, 3. I'll give you a chance to bid. Take 2,000. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 22, 5, 5. 2,500. Yeah, $2,500. Hey, the work's all done. All you got to do is go start farming. 2,500. Yeah, $2,500. 25, 25. Justin, I don't think we can do 22. What can we do on it? What you want to do on it? We can back up a little bit more, but I didn't think he quite wanted to take that. That's too nice a track. I'll tell you what, we can back up and put it on the money. He said give him a chance to bid. 1,500. 1,500. 1,500. He wanted a lot more, but he's willing to listen today. 15, 16. 1,600. 1,600. 1,600. 1,600. 16. 17. Now 1,800 on the internet sound. 18. $1,800. 18 here. 18. 18. Now 19. Now 2. Got to be 2 here. 2. Now 21. Now 22. 22, 3. 23. Buy you a nice one. 23. I believe he's going to let it go too. So last hand's probably going to get this thing. 23. 2,300. 2,300. 23. Mark, you'll make in. 23. 23. Now 4. 24. Now 25. 25. He said no. Can we sell it? 2,400. Justin, we're going to do that. What do you think? He said sell it right up front. You got your nice one.
$2,400.
41.81. 41.81.
All right, here we are at more Mini X's. Got a slew of them. See what they go for again.
All right, we have 2 of these. Electric bicycles.
Hey, 2031, here we are now. What do you bid? 2,000. $2,000 bill, could have been 2, could have been 2, could have been $2 grand. 2,000. $2,000 bill, could have been $1,500 bill, could have been 15. 15. Now 17 and a half. 17 and a half. Half. Money's on 17 and a half. Half. Could have been 1750. I got 1,500. 1750. Now 2,000. $2,000 bill, could have been 2. Back to you. 2, could have been $2 grand. I'm on to that. 2,000. $2,000 bill, could have been 2, could have been 2. You out. 2,000. 2,000. I got 2. Now 22 and a half. 25. $2,500 bill, could have been 25. 25. 5. Could have been 2,500. 22 and a half on the net. 25. 25. 5. Could have been 25. Could have been 25. 5. Could have been 25. Could have been 25. All in and all done.
About 3 over 30.
25. Now 7 and a half. 27 and a half just in time. 25. 7 and a half. 27 and a half. 5. Could have been 27 and a half. 27 and a half. Cross sales out. 27 and a half. 27 and a half. 5. Could have been 27 and a half. 27 and a half. 5. Could have been 27 and a half. Sold it. $2,500. 7. 633. 7. 633.
this one's
All right,
got
next two, you
joystick
buying one up to
control.
two, 2032, 2033. You buying one, you can take up to two. Buying one, take up to two. All right, hit me 2,000, down, dollar bill, hit me 1,500, 15, now 17 and a half, 17 and a half, half. You say yep, 17 and a half, now 22,000, $2,000 bill, hit me 2, now 22 and a half, 22 and a half, half, 22 and a half, 25, 3,000, 32 and a half, 35, 37 and a half, 37 and a half, half, hit me 37 and a half, 37 and a half, more than that, 37 and a half, half, 37 and a half, half, hit me 37.50, I'm on the net at 35, gotta be 37 and a half, 37 and a half, half, hit me 37 and a half, 37 and a half, half, hit me 37 and a half, 37 and a half, 4,000, proxies out, 4 grand, $4,000 bill, hit me 4, hit me 4,000, $4,000 bill, hit me 4, hit me 4, 37 and a half, 4, $4,000 bill, hit me 4, hit me 4, all in and all done. Sold them 37.50 on equipment bags, 37.50 to 355-624. 355-624. How many they want? How many they want?
708, 708,
So that one was 37.50.
How many they want? They're showing 2033 to 10493. 104.
All right, here's the one and only diesel that's here. Let's see what these people
2040
get.
excavator.
It's got a Kubota diesel motor in it.
Up front, right here, orange one it looks like. Call right here, well, what do you bid? $3,000 bill, hit me 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 27 and a half, 3,003 there, now 32 and a half, 32 and a half, money's on 32 and a half, 32 and a half, 32 and a half, 35, it'll be 35, 35, now 37 and a half, took him, he gotta be 37 and a half, I got 5,000 on the net, how about 52 and a half, 52 and a half,
Let's get on up there. It's got a Kubota engine. The motor's worth that.
52 and a half, 52 and a half,
Whether it'll hold together or not, because it's made by the same Chinese company that made the others.
5,500 now, 57 and a half, 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 the diesel now, 57 and a half, 57 and a half, $6,000 bill, hit it 6,000, 57 and a half, money's on 6, now 62 and a half, get him again, 62 and a half, 62 and a half, sorry fellas, 62 and a half, we on a roll over here, 62 and a half, 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 65, 65, 6,500, $6,500 bill, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 7 and a half, give again, 67 and a half, 67 and a half, 67 and a half, you pull yourself in. 67 and a half, 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 same chance, 67 and a half, 66, I let him in, 66, now 7, $6,700 bill, 67, 67, 6,700, $6,700 bill, 67, 67, now 8, 68, 6,800, $6,800 bill, 68, 68, 68, $6,800 bill, 68, 68, 68. Well, we got on the road. This 68, we'll get 69, we'll be back. 68, $6,800 bill, 68, 68, now $9. They done 69, 7, $7,000 bill, 7, $7,000 bill, 7, where $7,000 bill, 79, 7.
Company will probably buy one.
$7,000 bill, 7, they still bidding here, 69, 7, $7,000 bill, 69 and a half, one time, 69 and a half, $7,000 bill, 69, 50, it'll be 7,700, it'll be 7,000, $7,000 bill, it'll be 7, hit it again, 7,000, 71, $7,100 bill, it'll be 71, 71, 71, 70 and a half, I'll let you in, 70 and a half, 71, I got 71, 71 and a half, 71 and a half, we're gonna be a long time, 71 and a half, 71 and a half, 71, 50, 71 and a half, it'll be 71 and a half, 71 and a half, all in and all done, 72, now 3, $7,300 bill, it'll be 73, 73, 33, 73, 72, 3, $7,300 bill, it'll be 73, 33, it'll be 73, 72, 3, $7,300 bill, it'll be 73, internet you out, 73, 73, now 4, $7,400 bill, it'll be 74, 74, 44, it'll be 74, 75, $7,500 bill, it'll be 75, 75, 75, it'll be 75, 72, 74, 75, 75, 75, it'll be 75, 75, we just started here, 75, $7,500 bill, it'll be 75, $76. $7,600 bill, hit 76, 76, $7,600 bill, hit 76, 76, 76. He can do 8, we'll put it to bed. 76 now, $7,700 bill, 77. $7,700 bill, hit 7,700, 76, $7,700 bill, hit 77, $7,700 bill, hit 77, 76, Internet on people, let it go. $76,700 bill, hit 77, 77, all in and all done. Sold it, $7,600.
$7,600 for the Chinese excavator with a Kubota engine. Well, thanks for watching today. We're inside one of these Chinese containers that they ship over them excavators. And just want you to like, share, subscribe to our channel. And we'll bring you some more auction action some other time. Thank you. Here at Upstate Tractor Works.